welcome. This is video 2 of the 2-part series. I'm going to show you around the first story now, exactly where we're at, exactly what we're doing, and the problems that we're still occurring. So come on through. What we've done, that's the front door where I started off. I've just come straight up the stairs. I'm going to show you the back section. What we're going to be doing is taking all the staircase out, a lot of metal work. We're going to reinforce all this floor. We're going to reinstate it. So the floor on my right is going to come all the way across. So say roughly here, a bit of a step to align with this story here. And what's going to happen is this section is going to be part of a bedroom. Come on through. You'll see from last time a lot of the videos are cleaned outside. So to your right it was a bathroom for the public. It's now cleaned out. Another room there. Have a look around. And then back here, so you can imagine there's going to be a bedroom and an ensuite here with the ensuite part of that section, another ensuite bedroom in front of that. So this is literally where the outside apex roof is all collapsed basically. There was a problem valley, the builder tried to change the valley, the roof has collapsed. So lucky enough we got the tiles off first because of the problem. We've got to put a temporary structure on, we've put the tarpaulin over to try and keep the water away. And these are in here for storage at the moment. So yeah, bedroom, the ensuite through this wall. One of the problems that we did have, shan't go across there, but look on that back wall there, you can see that sand and cement render. That's like a tank of slurry. Originally down below, there is a doorway. Yeah, so down below, there's a doorway. Someone back in time has cut a doorway in, put a lintel in, or steel actually. They've got a bricked up the external face, but they've done nothing with the interior face. So we've come in here, took a cupboard out, and we found that internal face brickwork, there's nothing there. So that top section of the wall is just hanging on nothing. It's literally, think of a bit of a U-shape that's missing, and they weren't tied in, the odd random bricks. All the internal skin has dropped. So we've had to, off that steel, build up that internal second skin, make sure it's all tied together nicely. Then we've gone and put a tanking slurry, sand and cement slurry basically, ready in the future for the plastering. So have a look around there, you can literally see all the brickwork we had to do. So all the way along there, a few more points in here, we had to put a few more bricks in here as well. So you can imagine all that section was missing, all of that section was missing, so the rest of this wall here was just hanging on nothing on the internal skin. So as you can see, old buildings, they are always worth hacking back the plaster. Don't overboard the plaster because you just don't know what was behind there. If I went and overboarded, I wouldn't have seen none of that. It certainly would have caused me problems in the future. So let's turn around, go back to the stairs, and we'll carry on the first story tour. So I keep walking you around. As I said, the staircase is getting taken out. And literally, this is pretty simple to be honest with you. This skylight here is getting taken out. We're doing 4 bedrooms in the loft. One bedroom is going to be all of this section here above. I'll show you that shortly. And the other bedroom in the loft is going to be here. So the bedroom starts here. It's the central staircase. The bedroom up in the loft all the way to that very end. We've got 4 bedrooms in the loft. They all range from 17 to 21 square metres of usable space. Under the perception of the tenant, it goes to about 27, 28 square metres top of my head. I can share the plan that needs to be, but on this floor, every window is going to be a bedroom. So you can imagine the stud wall in the middle, bedroom 1. Stud wall here, bedroom 2. And there's a wall there, bedroom 3. So the big bedroom, every bedroom we've done is a minimum of 10 square metres. There's not a lot of them that are 10 square metres, but they range from 10 to about 14, 15 square metres each, not including the ensuite. So a nice big open space, mainly cleaned out. It's looking pretty good at the moment, and we've got no problems on this section, which is great. Have a quick look around, but you can see from originally, that was a woman's toilet and a man's toilet. So we're stripping all that out now. Be careful where you walk, just do it outside. So you'll see toilets, it's all getting ripped out. It's still being stripped out. There's a lot of skips coming out of here. This was a bit of a canteen for the staff, if you can remember. And that was where the squatters were breaking in. We've had 4 sets of squatters in here, 3 starting the work. Since starting the work, we've had 0 looking up. But yeah, they were breaking in there and they were sleeping on that right hand side where it's just been. They're coming through, so exactly the same as downstairs. This wall is getting bricked up or boarded off. So as I said, 7 bed, 11 bed, separate HMOs, but you'll see and feel the size and scale. So, if you remember in here, nice big open space. Always need CCTV on site. So, exactly the same, all bedrooms up here. We've got 2 bedrooms on this side. From that wall to that wall, all the way up is another bedroom, and the same next door. But you'll see a window, that means it's going to be a long bedroom. Another window being opened up, long bedroom. It's literally bedroom, 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 all up here. It's a really big, nice, open space. Exactly the same. Bedroom from that wall to that wall, in the loft, that's another bedroom. So 4 bedrooms in the loft. This was the original bar here, if you remember, pouring pints, exactly again. So this was the nightclub. Over there was our DJ booth. But nightclubs are great. A lot of people don't like nightclubs because they've got right through full planning. So I took this on, knowing full well it's a nightclub, knowing full well it's a conservation area, sort of knowing it's going to be not the best condition. Yes, I didn't take into account the back wall, because we don't know, but I took this on because it's full planning. A lot of people like to take the permitted development route, which is great if you can get all of them, but everybody wants permitted development. I'm happy to look at the things what people don't want. So that was exactly the same as the pumping version I did, this nightclub, and I've also bought another nightclub exactly the same way. Just because a lot of people don't want to take it on because it's too hard to get the planning. It's only hard if you believe it's hard. It's just like taking them on, getting to go. It's saying like, what can you risk? If it's going to cost you £5,000 for planning, can you risk £5,000? So come on through, nearly finished. Okay. So what I'll call them, this is the upstairs 1-bed flat. As I said, exactly the same as downstairs. Exactly the same. Doorway on my right. Kitchen is standing in now. All the roof's getting taken off. We have a bathroom here, say a lounge here, and a bedroom there. And this is the section where we're going to replace all the floors. We're going to do all the resin rods. As I said, hack everything back. Look, that wasn't there. There was just that single brick. That was missing behind plasterboard. So again, you just don't see this stuff. But look up here, look at the roof. Have a nice look at some of these joists here. Walk around, looking at a couple of the joists. See a couple of them really very rotten. And this is the stuff that you wouldn't see if you don't hack back the plaster or pull the ceilings down. Look at this here, look at that joist there, perfect example. That's right on the ridge. There's probably a problem valley up there. You can see that is rotten. It's hanging on, I'd say a women of prayer. There's not a lot hanging that on. That's why all the tiles coming off, all the roof's coming off, it's getting redone. It's the old fashioned felt anyway, so that's coming off. And this is the section, as I said, downstairs, from there to that section right behind you, which is here. Then from there to here, this section is getting pulled down because the structural engineer said it needs to come down as soon as possible. And that's where we're going to pull it down, do a double block, exactly the same as what it is now. We're going to render the outside exactly the same as it is now, and get this building tied together and get pushed on with the works. We're coming through, we're nearly done, we'll walk down the stairs, some more information. If you haven't already subscribed, do subscribe below. Keep on track with what I'm doing. If there's any questions, do comment below. I answer every single question. If you've got anything you want to learn, I'm more than happy to say walk around a building answer your question. If you've got a structural problem, if you're not sure how to do joists, how to do an internal layout, let me know. I'll walk around the building, do a live video that helps, and show you exactly what you want to know. So don't forget, comment below. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Come on through. So this is the section here. We're just going to go downstairs, exactly where we started off. Behind this wall here, that was an external building on the first floor with a toilet over there. That's all been pulled down now. That's why we've got a side safety door on there so you can't get out. So this section here, this had 3 layers of plasterboard on. So you can imagine it looked okay. We pulled it off, as I said, always hack back. And the rear section of plasterboard was absolutely soaking wet. So look, come on, look at this. Come on, zoom in this. We've got dry rot here. We've got a bit of dry, a bit of wet rot, but this is the dry rot. It's like spider web. You can literally see. Can you see that? Yeah? Yeah. So that's dry rot, and we hacked all that off. It's all dying off now, to be honest. Look at this here. Is there? You literally see, it's all dying off. It's all been hacked away. It's all been sprayed with chemicals. Same again, these are the things that you don't know on a commercial building. So thank you very much for tuning in. Please do comment below and do subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. I'll keep on track. I'll watch all the videos. Any comments, do let me know, because I do want to do more videos to help you out. So thank you very much again. I'm John Colclough, Pegasus Property Group. I'll speak to you soon.